So there is a simple way how you can split screen on your iPhone and multitask. All you need to do is to just open your app store and we want to find this simple app. Just search for split screen and scroll down, and we want to get split screen dual window. Once you have it, you can just go to your home screen and open it. After you launch this app, you can simply use split screen. Here in the middle is the blue line. You can grab it and move and customize the size of these two windows or screens. For example, at the top I want to watch YouTube, and down I want to open Google, and you can customize and change the size of that. Search on YouTube, watch YouTube video. It's simply as that. For example, you can open Shorts and keep doom scrolling while you're watching some article inside Google or any web page. So it's that simple. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and see you next time.